Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Mobile international roaming. First, ensure you have an active Mint Mobile plan. Then, you'll need to purchase up roam credits before you leave the country. These credits allow you to make calls, send texts, and use data while abroad. We'll cover how to add these credits and manage your usage effectively. To activate up roam, simply log into your Mint Mobile account online or use the app. Navigate to the Up Roam section and purchase the desired amount of credits. It's wise to do this before you depart. Once purchased, you can always dial *670# from your Mint Mobile phone to quickly check your remaining balance. Remember, these credits are valid for 180 days. When you arrive at your destination, make sure data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. Your Mint Mobile phone should automatically connect to a local partner network. If it doesn't, try restarting your device. Keep in mind that international roaming rates for calls, texts, and data vary significantly by country, so it's good to check the rates for your specific destination beforehand. For longer trips, purchasing a local SIM card might be more cost-effective than relying solely on up roam credits. Also, always connect to Wi-Fi whenever available to save your international data. This helps stretch your credits further. Before you go, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, perfect for your travels, along with other great deals. Safe travels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.